The Rolling Right Along construction kit allows teachers and parents to construct books similar to APH's interactive storybook entitled Rolling into Place. Using provided accordion folded panels, hook loop material pathways, and accompanying accessory items such as brailleable sheets and sticky dots adhesive, self-designed books can be tailored to the interests and needs of individuals with visual impairments or blindness. Here's an example of a teacher-constructed alphabet book. A user's guide, which is included in this kit, provides story suggestions, tips for adding tactile embellishments, and sample book layouts. And creating a tactile book can be a delightful project when you involve your student in the construction fun. Purchase the Rolling Right Along construction kit at shop.aph.org. And that's your quick tip.